In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shopify themes. Whether you're just starting your online store or looking to give it a fresh new look, choosing the right theme is crucial for your brand's success. Follow along with me as I guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase. First, let's get started by heading over to Shopify. If you're not already familiar, Shopify offers a robust platform for businesses to set up their online stores, and their range of themes helps you customize your store's appearance to align with your brand. Once you've reached Shopify's website, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control hub, where you manage everything related to your store. Logging in will bring you right into the thick of it, showcasing your current store setup alongside various options. Next, we'll need to navigate to the Sales Channel section on your dashboard. From this section, click on Online Store. This will allow you to manage everything related to how your store appears to customers, including your current theme and layout. From here, you'll select the Themes option. This is where you manage your current theme setup. Here, you'll see any themes you're using or experimenting with. It's essentially your theme control center. As you scroll down, you'll find a link labeled Visit Theme Store. Click on this link to explore the wide variety of themes that Shopify offers. The theme store provides a diverse range of options, from free themes designed for simplicity to premium themes crafted with advanced features. As you browse, think about what aligns best with the style and functionality you envision for your store. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on it to explore further. Each theme provides a detailed description and a live preview option. This allows you to see how the theme functions across different types of devices and layouts. If you feel confident that the theme matches your vision, look for the Try Theme option. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to install and interact with the theme within your store before making a purchase. This way, you can ensure it truly fits your needs. After testing the theme, if you decide to proceed with purchasing, the Buy option will now be available. To complete the purchase, you'll need to enter your payment details. Simply add these details and confirm by clicking Buy Theme. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased a Shopify theme. With your new theme installed, take some time to customize it further, ensuring all elements align perfectly with your brand's identity. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process simple and straightforward. Happy selling!